Have you ever wondered how the universe began? How did everything, stars, planets, and even life come into existence? Today, I'm taking you on a journey to uncover the scientific facts behind the birth of the universe. Let's dive into the fascinating story of our cosmic origins. Scientists believe that the universe began about 13.8 billion years ago, with an event known as the Big Bang. But don't be fooled by the name. This wasn't an explosion in space because space itself didn't exist yet. It was the sudden expansion of everything from a single, infinitely dense point called a singularity. Imagine the entire universe compressed into something smaller than an atom, then suddenly stretching outward at an incredible rate. In the first fraction of a second, the universe expanded at an unimaginable speed in a process called cosmic inflation. This rapid growth set the foundation for everything we see today. As the universe continued expanding, it cooled, allowing subatomic particles like protons, neutrons, and electrons to form. Within just a few minutes, these particles combined to create the first elements, hydrogen and helium, the building blocks of everything that followed. As the universe cooled further, hydrogen and helium atoms began to clump together under the force of gravity. Over millions of years, these dense clouds collapsed, igniting nuclear fusion and giving birth to the first stars. These massive stars lived fast and died young, exploding as supernovae and scattering newly created elements into space. This process was crucial because it enriched the universe with heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron, the essential ingredients for planets and even life itself. These elements merged into new star systems, forming galaxies, including the one we call home, the Milky Way. About 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system took shape from a vast cloud of gas and dust, known as the solar nebula. Gravity pulled the majority of this material toward the center, igniting nuclear fusion and giving birth to our sun. The remaining gas and dust collided and clumped together, forming planets, moons, and asteroids. At first, Earth was a hot, molten world, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. But as it cooled, a solid crust formed, along with oceans and an atmosphere. These conditions created the perfect environment for life to begin, leading to the incredible diversity of species we see today. The universe is still expanding, and scientists have observed that this expansion is actually accelerating. But what does this mean for the future? There are several theories. Will the universe expand forever, growing colder and darker? Will it eventually slow down and collapse in a big crunch? Or could dark energy drive an endless expansion? These questions remain some of the biggest mysteries in modern cosmology. From a tiny singularity to the vast cosmos we see today, the universe's story is nothing short of incredible. And the best part? There's still so much more to discover. If you enjoyed this journey through time and space, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing science content.